Hello everyone, welcome to the meditation channel. Close your eyes, get yourself comfortable. Breathing in and breathing out. Listening to the flow of your breath. Bringing all of your focus and attention to your breath. Inviting yourself to be completely present by quietening down the outside world. Memories from the past can haunt us, can still control our present, can still affect our future. And so today, let's invite the possibility of releasing some of these negative memories that are causing pain, stagnation, fear, anxiety within us. Trusting that we have the power to release and let go, have the power to shift, have the power to transform the negative into positive, into power. Calling forth our guides and our higher self today to assist us in this meditation, in this healing, in this releasing. And feeling their presence and their light surrounding us, supporting us and loving us. Warm, kind, unconditional love. And I want you to visualize this as a beautiful royal blue frequency surrounding you. Powerful, magnetic. It's the portal between the worlds, the physical and the ethereal. Allowing us to get access to the parts of our brain where these memories are hidden. I want you to visualize a staircase in front of you. And I'm going to count from 10 to 0, and at each number you will take a step down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There is a door in front of you, and this door is a magical door, a portal that will give us access to a memory of our past. When you are ready, I want you to step through and shut the door behind you. Take a moment to notice any emotions that arise when you step through and where that energy is held in your body. Just breathe through it. If it's intense, it's okay. You are safe. You will come back. And I promise you will feel better by the end of this meditation. Where are you? How old are you? Do you remember what time of the year it was? And in this specific moment, what time of the day. Who is with you? And what is happening? Allow yourself to relive this memory for the time, no matter how painful. If emotions arise, allow them to. Let yourself feel. And now in this memory, I want you to place your hand on your heart. And we're going to declare, I understand that this event happened to me. I understand that this event is part of my past. I also understand that there were some things that I was not able to control. I now give myself permission to release this frequency from my memory, from my body, and from my energy. I give myself permission now to reprogram this memory into a positive, self-loving, self-empowering memory. I give myself permission to be free, to forgive myself and those who have done me wrong, who have hurt me, or anyone else in this memory. And so let's begin by seeing any energetic cords that are attached to people, places, and things from this memory. And if you see any cords, begin to break them. Place your hands upon one of them and say, I set you free. 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 Release as many as you need. And at each time you break, one by one, you feel lighter and lighter. And now, take a moment to do what it is that you need to do in order to make yourself feel better. Now, if you did wrong to someone, this is your moment to apologize. This is your moment to speak up, speak your truth. And if somebody wronged you, then it's their time to apologize to you. You want to find peace and resolution in this memory. So now it's the time for you to do that. Allow this moment to be as real as it needs to be. Allow yourself to let go of the pain and the suffering. Allow yourself to feel what you needed to feel, what you needed to hear, what you needed to see. Give yourself full permission to be authentic. Bringing your focus back to your heart, calling forth the energy of your guides and your higher self now to assist you in releasing this memory forever. Suddenly, in your heart, that beautiful royal blue energy is activated, creating a frequency that is pulsating outside of your chest. We now declare, I am ready to release the pain, the suffering. I am ready to release my attachments, subconscious and conscious, to this memory. I am ready to forgive and let go now. And watching that beautiful royal blue light expand and expand and expand, engulfing you, the space, people, places, and things around you in this memory. And as it does that, peacefully and lovingly, you release this memory, dissolving any images that are around you, finding yourself suddenly in a white room. A room surrounded by love, peace, and quiet. And a big weight is being lifted off your shoulders. You can finally breathe and relax and feel the love and the peace. Taking a moment of gratitude for this healing, for this shifting. Walking back towards that door and stepping through, closing that door forever, and as you close it, that door disappears. Looking back at that staircase, I will count from 0 to 10. And when I reach 10, I want you to slowly come back into your body, and when it feels right, you are going to open your eyes. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,